Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 300 amp 150 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a look at the inside here. Very nice condition unit. Has been tested and checked out here at our facility at Lanco. It is an air-cooled unit. Has a remote control box attached to the cabinet. Here it is right here. It also has a timer and ramp control on the right. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it. Take a walk around to the other controls here. Overall dimensions, 30 inches long by 45 inches wide by 60 inches high. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Input amps are 68. And come back around here to start it. You hit the start button. The timer you can set for whatever you want. Right now it's set for a minute. So we'll turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Turn the amps up a little bit. Timer's going. And a walk over here. We'll take a look at the ripple control. Very slight. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.